So step one is easy. You go to Google Forms, you click a blank form, and the first thing we're going to want to do is add a title, lead capture form. Then we'll go right down here to untitled questions, which we can then add the questions. You can put name. Over here, do a drop down to do a short answer. Then you would just copy it and then change the name to email, short answer, copy it. And then you would do phone number. Now you could do more. You could add a how did you hear about us question or anything else, but that's all we'll do for now. Now that we created our form, let's go ahead and publish it and then connect it to a sheet so that it automatically populates for you. So then you would go to responses, link to sheets. Let's go ahead and create a spreadsheet. And you'll see this is your form name. From there, it hasn't quite updated, but it's still there. And this is where you will now, when someone fills out a form, the new submission will now pop up. All right, now that we've connected it and everything like that, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is for your customers in the real world to submit their information. So go ahead and copy the link. I'll show you on a new tab. And I'll go ahead and enter some fake information. So that should have populated. We go back here, you see you have your response. And then when you go back to, you see that it populated. So guys, that's it. It's so simple. Once they fill out the form, it just populates here and you have a form with all the information you need.